Number 2, what is 10 to the 5th power? So we have here, so we want, what is 10 to the 5th power? And what we have here is some type of exponent. So you would probably see exponent laws in grade 9 or about pre-algebra or algebra 1. And what this is asking us, it's asking us what is 10 to the power or to the 5th power. So according to our exponents, what we have here is we have some type of base value, and then we have some type of exponent value here. And in this case here, we have 10 to the 5th power. So it means 10 here is going to be our base value. So let me do that in a different color. 10 here is going to be our base value. And then it's going to be to the 5th power. So to the 5th power is going to be our exponents here. So we have 5th power here, exponents is the power of 5, right? So this will be to the power of 5. And this here is going to be our exponent, or base and exponent for this problem here. So now we have to solve this 10 to the power of 5, right? So what does this mean? Well, 10 to the power of 5 can also be written as the base times the number of times the exponent happens, right? So we have this here, our base here, which is 10, and then we're going to multiply that by 10 5 times by also 10. So it's going to be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And this here is our exponent rewritten as in terms of multiplication here. And we learned this in kind of our exponent laws in pre-algebra here. And what we can do now is we can solve this problem, right? What we can say here is we can say that 10 times 10 here is 100 times 10 times 10 times 10. So these two make 100 here. Again, 100 times 10 here makes 1,000 times 10 times 10. 1,000 times 10 is 10,000 times 10. And then finally 10,000 times 10 here is going to equal 100,000. Oh, that's a million. 100,000 here. So this is going to be our solution. So therefore, we can write that 10 to the power of 5 is going to equal 100,000. And this here is our solution. And as you can see, this solution is also correct because they wrote 10 to the power of 5 equals 100,000. So the solution is good. Good analysis. Okay, let's go. So the solution here is correct.